Okay, I want to know how much power the Cypress card takes. This is the PSOC 6 with e-ink display on it. I need to know how much power it takes because I might be trying to drive it from my Stirling engine. So I've got this set up for 5 volts. This is a USB-C input, and I'm going to see how much current it actually takes. So it's taking 168 milliamps at 5 volts. So that's about 29 ohm equivalent resistance here. So I'm going to see if the Stirling engine can supply 0.17 amps at about 5 volts. Okay, this is the Stirling engine in the background here. This is the 2 pistons, or the 2 cylinders with pistons in them, the flywheel and the little generator, and the fuel tank over here. In front I have a 30 ohm load, which is equivalent to my PSOC module, and I'm measuring the voltage coming from the generator over here. It's not connected to the load yet. When I connect this white wire to this resistor, it'll connect the load. But I want to measure the open circuit voltage before connecting the load once that gets up to speed. So I need to light it. And wait for it to warm up. It didn't take very long to get going. So we're already at 3.5 volts, 3.7. That's going to vibrate. It's at 5.2 volts, 5.3, generating quite a bit of voltage, open loop. Let's see what happens when we put the load on. It's at 5.5 volts. So it dropped down to 2 volts. Let's see if it climbs back up to some reasonable speed. It's up to 2.5 volts. .6. Not really climbing very fast anymore. It's getting up to steady state. So it's definitely putting out some power, but probably not quite enough to drive the PSOC in its stock configuration. It can, of course, be run in low power modes, which I may have to investigate, but out of the box, this might be a little bit light for running the whole thing by itself. 2.7 volts. Okay, I'm going to try with a slightly different load to see if that helps. Actually, let's try it open loop to see where we go. Wow, it's going nuts. 7 volts. That's impressive. That's really motoring.